I didn't know anybody in Houston, much less anybody in marketing. And so I looked online and I found out about AMA Houston, about a luncheon. Had a really great time, met up some great people, sat down with the table with Tim Raymond. He helped me get my first marketing position in Houston. I have met really all of my friends through AMA Houston. I met my business partner through AMA Houston. Really my community, it's really been my tribe. Every time I need a resource, I can find somebody in AMA to help me out or find the answer, whether that is a vendor, a client, or even employees. Once you join the community, you're part of us. And so don't hesitate to join at all.